Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you what is the Euro NCAP rating of this car. The latest generation maintains 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP based on the current generation platform. It performs well in crash tests and safety assist categories. This confirms its high safety level. This car reached 5-star Euro NCAP and Asian NCAP thanks to solid build and plenty of assistant systems like blind spot assistant, lane assistant, road traffic sign assistant, and more. The car is also equipped with 6 airbag at least, 2 ISOFIX latches, 360 camera. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.